everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Facebook Watch video history. So if you also want to delete Facebook Watch video history, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you look at top, you can see several icons over here. At fourth, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see your profile. You can see your name over here. You can find the options for add to story, edit profile, etc. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the profile settings. You can see several settings options over here. Find the option for activity log. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see all the activities like public posts, public tags, story activity, page likes, following, etc. Slide left. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for videos watched. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is tap on this option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see the filters. Right next to it you'll be able to see the option for clear all. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your Facebook Watch history will be cleared. So that is how you delete Facebook Watch history. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.